Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule tweets on Twitter. The Twitter app doesn't have tweet scheduling, but there's still a way to schedule tweets from your smartphones. One of the most useful features of Twitter is the ability to schedule tweets for up to 18 months in advance while you focus on other activities. You can schedule individual tweets on your desktop browser. But what about scheduling on mobile? The official Twitter apps for both iPhone and Android don't have this feature yet, but there's a workaround you can use without installing extra apps. Scheduling tweets from your mobile browser is easy. The process is similar on all browsers on both iPhone and Android. Follow these steps to start scheduling tweets right from your favorite mobile browser. Launch your browser, go to the Twitter website, twitter.com, and then log into your Twitter account. Now, tap the tweet button and type the post you want to schedule. After that, add any necessary attachments or links, and then tap the calendar icon below the tweet field. Select the date, time, and time zone when you want your tweet to be sent out and tap confirm. Now, tap schedule and your tweet will be set to post at the scheduled date and time. You can schedule multiple tweets in one session, but you need to be aware that Twitter does include limits to how many tweets you can send out per day. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.